Alright guys, so auto background removal is no longer free again on Capcut. So Capcut wants you to join the pro version, understand? And if you click on using the pro version of it, you'll need to pay money, and the money is not a little money. You need to pay a huge amount of money. But I'm going to show you guys how to use it manually, because this particular video you are watching here is the manual method of removing background. And I'll also be sincere to you that this may not give you the result which the auto removal would give, but it will still help you in creating your videos. You get my point? So I'll be using one of my videos, my disappearing video effect, to show you how to remove background, understand? So stay tuned, like and share this video so YouTube will recommend it to many other people, understand? Comment if you have any issue. If you like this method, just comment you like it. Let's go there. All right, now on Capcut, click on new project, import the background you want to use. Maybe just you can go and download the background on the internet, or if you have a picture you want to use as background, import it here on Capcut. Now tap on it, drag it, extend it. Since it's a picture, you can extend it to any length you want it to be. You get my point? Now tap on this navigation button right here. Now click on overlay. Tap on overlay. Now you want to bring the video you want to remove background. Just click on it, add overlay. Import the video you want to remove background. Bring it to Capcut. Tap on the screen to expand it. You can make it fit to screen. You can decide to make it smaller. It depends on the size of the character, how you want it to be. So when you do it this way, what you need to do next is, we are still on the second layer, so you go and look for remove BG. So you will click on remove BG. Now you see the auto removal here is pro. We have custom removal and we have chroma key. So what we are going to do from here is click on custom removal. Click on custom removal. We have quick brush, we have quick erase, and we also have erase. Now you see that this quick brush is in the pro version, and quick erase. So you tap on brush. That's the manual method of using brush, and this is the brush size. You can increase it, you can decide to reduce the brush size. So what you will do here is, after selecting your preferred brush size, you use it to roll on the character, just the character. For you to get it right, understand, you need to make sure you align this brush. You don't let it enter the main background, the other background. You only draw it on your character, on the body. I don't know if you get my point. So try as much as possible to make sure it aligns, just like what I'm saying. I'm trying to be careful, though I'm still entering the background part of it, understand? So just keep your hand straight. Reduce the brush size if necessary. Reduce the brush size to where you can control, how you can control it. You get my point? So this is the manual method of removing background now on Capcut, because the automatic method is now in the pro version, and you need to pay money to access it. So guys, if you're a complete beginner and wish to learn about video editing, my WhatsApp number is in the description of this video. Please chat me on WhatsApp, and take note, it is not free. I charge for my time, understand? And if you also want me to mentor you for 1 month, 2 months, if you want to create a YouTube channel so you can be teaching people how to edit videos just like what I'm doing, for me to guide you from scratch, guys, chat me on WhatsApp. Take note, it's not free. I charge for my time. So that's just it. So when you are done with everything, this is how it's going to be. You get my point? So as you can see, it's loading right here. You allow it to load, but I notice we need to use this erase button here. Now when you click on this erase button, these red colors here that is showing on the background, you can use the erase. You can reduce the brush size, understand? Reduce it to 1. So you can use to erase the red color you've already painted, so that it will not be included in the background. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So that's the function of this erase, to erase this other part of it, so it will not be included, just hue. and yourself, you'll be in the video. So I believe you understand what I'm saying. And subscribe. You've not subscribed, you've not liked this video. What is it? What's going on, bro? So make sure you allow it to remove the background 100%. Look at it, it's loading. Make sure you allow it to remove 100%, so you will have something better. So as you can see here, I'm still having some parts here to erase, so I need to work on it. It will take you time, yes, because it's a manual method of doing it. It take a little time, but since there's no other way out, this is what we are going to use for now. You get my point? So when you are done, click on OK, and you have something like this. So let's see how it's playing. You see, so it's a little better. We can still manage it, we can still use it on our videos. So now we will tap on the first layer here to split and delete the ending part of it, because we don't need it. Understand? So when you are done with all this, there's nothing again to do. It's for you to save the video to your gallery. You get my point? So see you in our next video.